Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a place in your country that you think is interesting.
Well, I belong to Pakistan, which is a very diverse country as regarding to culture, different cultures, different regional places, etc. So the place that is most interesting to me in Pakistan are the northern areas, specifically the Nathia Gully. The reason for me for it being so special to me is that since childhood, me and my family have been going there since for our vacations, and I have been there for quite a lot of times. It is a very beautiful place which is located 2.5 kilometers above the sea level, and it is a very cool, calm place which has clean air. The atmosphere is good. The mountains, the weather, the trees and greenery, everything is so beautiful and close to nature. And not with my family, but with my friends, I have done the trekking of a 4.6 kilometer total length track that is situated there by the name of Miranjani track. And it is quite exhausting, but it is quite adventurous for me to go along with my friends and do trekking there. And just because I have been going there since childhood, that is why I have natural affiliation with that place, and not just because of its beauty, but also because of my going there, frequency of going there.
All right, it's all fantastic. 1 minute 29 seconds. You use tenses very well. Just try to use some connecting words like compound sentences, it'll be even better. Now we move on to speaking part 3. How can people access travel information?
Nowadays, it is quite easy for people to get traveling information. You can always Google it. You can always use the internet, Google it, or we have also have a Google Maps where you can just put in the location and everything comes on by itself. But even though if you do not have internet connection, you can always ask friends and family who have already been there, so that you do not have any problem while going there.
Do people have different personalities in different regions of your country?
Yes, different cultures and different regions are associate with people having different personalities in their lives. And also I would like to also say that religions also play a specific role in having a different personality of a person's life.
Okay, what causes the differences between different regions of your country?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
What causes the differences between different regions of your country?
Yeah, there are so many reasons. Like you can have different regions, like different climatic behavior, different weather conditions, different cultures, different religions, and that associate and with people having different and regions having different difference between among themselves.
All right, that's good. Overall, you understood the question and you handled well. So it's all good. Keep it up like this and try to connect your ideas together and try to improve on your pronunciation as well. Looking at your overall performance at present, I'll give you 7, but you can improve it. Right?
Okay, thank you
Okay.
so much.